Yo, what's up? We're going to be checking out the Scythe Fuma 2 inside the NR200. We're going to go over some temps, some specs, as well as the installation, and stay to the end to see if we can fit this inside the NR200P. Starting with the CPU cooler itself. It's 155mm tall for those of you concerned about small form factor cases, and it has 6 heat pipes to help dissipate for all that cooling. Included in the box, you're going to have the mounting brackets for Intel and AMD, as well as some thermal paste, the fan splitters, a 25mm fan, as well as a 15mm fan, and a screwdriver included with the kit. Now, onto the installation process. After you've installed your brackets for your specific CPU, you're going to add some thermal paste about a pea-sized shape. You're going to line up the screws with the mounting bracket and screw them in with the included screwdriver. Next, let's install the fan clips onto the fan itself. Hook them inside the black hole of the fans. Then, as I both got them aligned, I would use my thumbs and slightly put the pressure applied to hook them over the rubberized area of the fan. Make sure you have the fan facing the correct orientation. What I found the easiest was, I would slowly try to slide the fan between the two towers, and I would slightly move the clips along with the fins of the fan and try to wiggle it down into the cooler itself. As that part's done, you're going to want to pull the clip over the metal fin and repeat the same process for the front fan as well. Next comes the easiest step of the installation. Take the 2 fans that you have attached to the cooler, insert them into the splitter, and attach them to your CPU fan header. I hope that process wasn't too difficult. If not, I've also linked the Scythe official installation guide below, so check it out. Also, you can drop some questions if you have them below. There it is. With the cooler installed, and utilizing the mesh panel of this case, I was able to get a 78.4 degrees Celsius on the load testing with OCCT. For gaming, I got a 72.4 degrees Celsius, and at idle, it averaged at 50.6 degrees Celsius. Here's a sound clip without having any panel on the case. This is a clip of sound for the mesh panel. Now, using the tempered glass, this is what it would sound like. Amazing! Check out the temperatures with using the glass panel instead. It came in at 83.3 for load, 77.3 for gaming, and 53.4, roughly 3 to 5 degrees higher only by using the glass panel. Thanks for checking out the video, and if you found any of this information useful, don't forget to hit the like button below, as well as subscribe for any upcoming content. I'll check you guys in the next one. Peace.